So could you read this as a noun, please? As a noun and as a verb? Which one is the result?
The second one.
The noun
Yeah,
is...
the verb. Result.
Yeah, result. First of all, I want Stephanie to actually come along, introduce herself, say hello, and introduce yourself to the group, please.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Stephanie. I'm originally from the United States of America, where I've spent my whole life. I moved to UAE a few months ago, probably about the end of January.
Saw the employee whose office is adjacent to yours. Whose كمان مرة is adjacent.
Is adjacent to yours.
All of us were scared.
We're scared. Everybody was scared of the waiter.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Talking about. I don't know. عايزين نطقها ما يرضي يعني. I don't know what you're talking about. الكلام ده هتلاقوه في الفيديو التاني في الوسط.
I have a picture here. I want you guys to describe anything you see in this picture. Use your imagination. Like you guys can talk about anything. For example, if you want to say, this guy right here, Joey has been selling hot dogs all day. You want to go ahead and just repeat that for me?
The man in the yellow shirt in the hurry to enter wallet of books because they have a good sale going on.
Why not we didn't use very?
دي تركيبة تو هفهمك. تو فيها نيجاتيفيتي. لو انت مجرد ما تقولي على حاجة انها تو اكسبنسيف يعني مش هينفع تشتريها.